Today, in this video, I will guide you on how to remove linked apps from Gmail. It is very important because you might have a login to many different websites from your Gmail. These websites may be third-party websites that are unsafe for your Gmail account, so it is better to see which apps are connected to your Gmail. If you no longer need that third-party website or don't have any information about that website, then simply remove the access. Now let's move to the steps to remove connected apps. One more thing, if you're doing this on a laptop, you can follow the same steps too. First of all, open the Gmail application on your mobile and then click on the Gmail profile icon in the top right corner. All your Gmail accounts are visible here. You can change to any account that you want to use. After that, just click on the Google account option below your profile. Now scroll the tabs to the right side up to the Security tab, and in the Security tab, go down to the bottom. Here you can see all the third-party apps that are connected to your Gmail. Now click on See All Connections, and then all the third-party apps will be shown. If you do not need any app right now and you have no idea from where it has been logged in, then simply click on the app that you want to remove. I am going to remove the login from the Randora application. After entering that app, see down written here, delete all connections that you have with Randora website. Just click on it and then click on the confirm option and wait a second. Now you can see written here that you are no longer connected to Randora. Now go back and remember that before removing, there were 12 connected apps showing, but now only 11 connections are showing. The Randora application has been completely removed. If you want to remove more connections, repeat the same steps. This is how you can remove connected apps from your Google or Gmail account. If you have any queries left, then comment below.